Welcome to the PGA Show. My name's Christopher McCain with Trojan Battery Company. Today we're joined by Austin. Austin is a dealer for us just outside of Charlotte, North Carolina. And Austin, I know that you are a dealer for us for lithium-ion batteries. Can you tell us what you like about those products?
They're a great battery. One of the things we like about them is a lot of the safety features that are integrated into the battery. It's very durable, very reliable, and it's one of the batteries that we know it's going to work as advertised. So it's going to be that 10 to 12, maybe longer years of lifespan towards the battery.
And Austin, can you tell us about the serviceability of the batteries and how the ease of installation is for you, your business, and your customers?
The great thing is it's a one and done battery. Once you put it in and you get used, as you get them programmed and set up for the cart, it's a very easy, cost-effective solution, for the lithium conversion for your customers.
And Austin, if you were to use one word to explain Trojan Battery and Trojan Lithium batteries, what word would you use?
The best.
Thanks for joining us at the PGA Show. We appreciate it, Austin.